Myself, Professor Atul Kumar. I am a retired professor from GB Pant University of Agriculture and Technology. I have been associated with this teaching business since last more than 36 years. And the plight of students who struggle for their life, who struggle for their existence, and who struggle for their service is dedicated to my students. My whole life has been dedicated so that we can groom the career. The success does not depend upon the position you have acquired in the university, the materialistic positions that you have, for example, the vehicle you drive, the house you have got. Success comes and happiness comes from within. This is what I have tried to inculcate amongst my students. So this award more belongs to my students who elevated me to come to this level and to receive this award. This is one amongst the many. And I am to tell you one more thing. We learn from our students. I am still learning, and this is how we develop.